Good morning, students. Today we will start the next subtopics from the chapter Air. Before starting the chapter, we will come to revise, to recapitulate the subtopics which we studied in the last class. The subtopics are permanent winds, seasonal winds, local winds. Permanent winds are known as trade winds, which blow throughout the year, which we say easterlies, westerlies. These are the types of permanent wind. Understand? Afterward, we are coming seasonal winds. These winds change their direction according to seasons. Understand? They blow especially in different seasons. And last one is local winds. Local winds blow in a particular area, particular time of the year. Suppose that in northern India, there air which blow, the wind which blow in summer time, that will be known as, this will be known as what? Lu. Understand? Hot air, which we say Lu. So I hope that you have known all these subtopics clearly. Afterward, we will start the subtopics from the chapter. Students, the subtopics which will be started here, the subtopics are wind. Second is humidity. What is wind? The movement of air from high pressure area to low pressure area is known as wind. Afterward, the second subtopic is humidity. Students, you know that when water evaporates from land and different water bodies, it becomes water vapor, and moisture in the air at any time is known as humidity. Whatever the moisture will be available in the air will be known as humidity. Understand? When there is full of water vapor, we call it a humid day. When air will be full of water vapor, we can say it humid day. And in humid day, you know that what will happen? It will be difficult to dry clothes. Understand? And the sweating from our body does not evaporate easily, and we feel more uncomfortable during the time of humid day. Understand? Afterward, we are coming to know about what are clouds. Clouds are just masses of such water droplets. When these droplets of water become too heavy to float in the air, then they come down as precipitation. Understand? What are clouds? Clouds are masses of water droplets. Understand? And when these droplets of water become too heavy to float in the air, when they become too heavy to float in air, then they come down in precipitation. Precipitation means when air will be heavy, when the water vapor will be heavy in the air, then this will take the form of water droplets and they will come in the form of precipitation. Precipitation means form of ice, snow and rain. You know it, snow, sleet. Understand? And student, you know that precipitation that comes down the earth in liquid is called rain. In liquid form, rain, we say it precipitation in liquid form. Understand? One thing we know that most of the groundwater comes from rainwater, and plants help preserve water. But the balance has been disturbed by human being because of cutting trees recklessly. and we have disturbed the balance. Understand? So due to it, from the mountains water flow, the rainwater flow, and that bring flood in the areas, low-lying areas. Understand? We have decided 3 types of rain. Students, you know that according to mechanism, 3 types of rains are: first is cyclonic, second is orographic, and third is convectional. This will be studied in the next class, but we have to know something about these. Cyclonic rainfall occur when warm and cold water meets each other. Afterward, we are coming orographic rainfall, when the moisture in the air lifted above the mountain ranges. And understand? This form orographic clouds. Afterward, we are coming, the next one is convectional rainfall. It occurs only when the energy of the sun hits the surface of the earth, causing water to evaporate to form water vapor. Understand? As the air rises, it cools and condenses. So we will read it in the next class about these 3 rainfalls. Here is only the name is given in your class. And students, you know that rain is very important for us, for plants and animals. Understand? And because of scarcity of rain, there will be drought. And the harvest will not be in good condition because of scanty rain. So I hope that you have understood all these subtopics. Thanks for watching the video.